we now have the Rashtriya Loktantrik Party, which is led by Hanuman Beniwal, who have today announced that it was quitting the BJP-led National Democratic Alliance, or the NDA, to protest these three agricultural laws that have provoked massive demonstrations by the farmers. So, as the farmers' protest gains strength on the ground, with more protesting farmers joining them from other states, not just from Punjab, then there were farmers from Haryana, now there are farmers from Maharashtra who are en route coming to another centre near Delhi to join these protesting farmers. At the same time, we are seeing politically the NDA also feeling the pinch. You have the Rashtriya Loktantrik Party, which is led by Hanuman Beniwal, who is saying that if they will not stand with anyone who is standing against the farmers. So, he says they are quitting the BJP-led Democratic Alliance to protest these three agricultural laws. Listen in.
मैं तो करूंगा ही पूरी। मैं तो लोकसभा की तीनों कमेटी को इस्तीफा दे दिया। आवश्यकता पड़ी तो एनडीए छोड़ने का ऐलान करूंगा और आवश्यकता पड़ी तो लोकसभा की सदस्यता से भी इस्तीफा दे दूंगा। ये मैं पहले ही कह चुका हूं और आज हम यहाँ बातचीत करने के बाद बड़ा फैसला लेंगे।
All right, and let's go across to Arvind. As you can see, the big press conference earlier in the day when Hanuman Beniwal, who leads the RLP, quit the NDA over farm laws. As you can see, they're making that big announcement, the big political fallout or the political implications of the NDA and this government continuing to stick to its stand that the farmers, they are standing by the farm laws, the new farm laws, and claiming that the new farm laws are actually good for the farmers. But let's go across to Arvind, my colleague. Arvind, can you hear me? All right.
Yes, sir,
Arvind,
I can hear you.
Oh, perfect. Great. So, you know, Arvind, earlier first it was the Shiv Sena that quit the NDA. Now the Akali Dal quit the NDA. Now you have the RLP. So this is politically, it is costing this government, yet we're seeing the government not willing to budge on this matter.
Yes, sir. In fact, RLP, the Rashtriya Loktantrik Party from Rajasthan, they also have MLAs in Rajasthan, and the party chief Hanuman Beniwal is also a Lok Sabha MP. So he came along with farmers from Rajasthan. He wanted to march to the national capital, but the Haryana police have stopped them from marching ahead, and that's why we could see farmers, around thousands of farmers along with Hanuman Beniwal. They have camped at the Shahjahanpur National Highway. While addressing the farmers and also his cadres, Hanuman Beniwal clearly stated that his party is quitting NDA, and he also went on to say that he was not allowed to enter the Lok Sabha when the bill was passed in the Lok Sabha. In fact, COVID report, with that fake COVID report, they were stopped. He was stopped from entering the Lok Sabha, and that's why he couldn't stop the bill from being passed. And after speaking to his cadres, he finally made an announcement saying that he is quitting the NDA. And he also said that earlier Shiv Sena quit, and after that Akali Dal quit, and now his party is also quitting NDA. And he also has clearly stated that unless and until this government repeals all the three farm laws, this particular protest against these three farm laws along with the farmers will continue. So a very important meeting led by Hanuman Beniwal is currently underway, or in a huddle, to decide on the future course of action. In fact, he marched towards the national capital, but what he also cautioned is party workers is that because they don't want to disturb the farmers who are for 2 weeks, and that's why he wanted to speak to those farmers first before taking any further decision regarding the future course of action. So this particular meeting, the core committee meeting of RLP party, just got over, and then very shortly from now we will be getting to know what is the future course of action. But clearly he stated that his party is quitting the NDA.